To run incoming connections troubleshooter in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap set menu icon, and then click or tap Settings. Select Update and Security, and then select Troubleshoot. Click or tap Additional Troubleshooter, and then select Incoming Connections. Find and fix problems with incoming computer connections and Windows Firewall, and then select Run the troubleshooter. Allow the troubleshooter to run and then answer any question in the screen. If you see a message that no changes or update were necessary, you can try recovery options or find out more about Outlook error code and upgrade and installation error code. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.